Your new Mazda is available with Apple CarPlay integration, which is a smarter way to access some of the features and apps of your iPhone while driving. And getting directions to where you want to go is easy. Start by selecting Maps on the Apple CarPlay home screen to quickly access Apple Maps. You can also press the Nav button next to the Commander knob while using CarPlay. From here, if you're looking for a specific destination or a point of interest, you can scroll the Commander knob until Destinations is highlighted in the top right corner of the map, or you can use Siri to search by voice.
Find the nearest coffee shop.
The closest one I see is Black Ring Coffee on Long Beach Boulevard in Long Beach. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes.
Getting directions to Black Ring Coffee. Starting route to Black Ring Coffee.
Apple Maps will calculate your route, and Siri will then provide turn-by-turn directions. Now let's say you have a specific address you'd like to go to. You can use Siri to input the destination.
Take me to 200 Spectrum Center Drive, Irvine, California.
Getting directions to 200 Spectrum Center Drive, Irvine.
Select the correct option, and Apple Maps will determine a route for you. The Apple Maps interface within Apple CarPlay has the ability to zoom in and out of maps. You can ask Siri to do it, or you can just select the plus or minus buttons on the side of the screen. As you can see, finding your way with Apple CarPlay integration is easy.